What's up, dudes and dudettes and in between? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, I'm Zach. I ride bikes around London and talk shit. Talk about random stuff, things I see, things that's happening in my life. Like the tram keeps breaking. This dude that literally almost ran me over. I want to go down this way because there's a nice road up there on the left. Not this left, next left. And it's a nice and sunny day, as you can see. I'll take it wide, don't worry. I'm not gonna make you run. No, 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 no. Where are we? We're in Wimbledon again. I'm gonna go around a couple of roads. I think I could turn a right and then a left. Find out soon. Nope, that's a dead end road. I literally just went down a dead end road. And I'm still going down this dead end road. Anyway, I'm gonna turn around in a minute. The thing is, I can't do right-handed U-turns, so I'm gonna have to. No cyclists coming. I'm in second gear. Bad idea, but I did it. Reversed, but I did it. Well, that was a no entry. It's still a no entry. No one coming. Perfect. Yeah, I'll just take this right. It's a one-way road. Yeah. So I'm after. Difference between yesterday and today is literally no one's got an England shirt anymore. Went for a ride yesterday when the England game was on. Literally not a singular soul in the roads. It was lovely. If you haven't seen that, it was a very quick ride actually, because my microphone decided to run out of battery halfway through that ride, so it was a lot shorter than I expected it to be. Almost got literal CCTV. I want to be here forever. And I'm going to be stuck at the lights forever. Oh my god. And since I didn't actually record, I wanted to let you know a little bit what's coming up on this channel. A couple of rides I've got planned, or events if we could say so. Because this Sunday, was it Thursday today? Yeah, Sunday I am going on a ride with Alex and her new MTO7. Well, yeah, she's bringing her own MTO7, and I'll still be on this. It doesn't have the stalling problems anymore, which it used to have, and it actually does start. So check out this previous videos that I've talked about this dying and not starting anymore, if you haven't seen them yet, because it'll give you a bit more of a update on what is actually happening with it. But yeah, I've changed back to a original exhaust, and since I've only been putting the high quality petrol, the E95 or something, I've not had a problem since. That's electric, fucking hell. Well, yeah, I haven't had a problem since, but it's that trust thing. I can't stick with it. So the Triumph is going. Now what's replacing it is actually something I'm very familiar with, and I trust it because I have taken one apart and put it back together. What are you doing there? That's not your lane. Anyways, it's not going to be hard to figure out what bike it is. I ain't telling you which one though. That will come later. I have a good buddy who's looking to get rid of his, and that's exactly what I want at the moment, because I want to stay in that 500 to 800 cc range, which I know is massive, but it narrows it down very quickly when I say it has to be a very low seat height, because I am sure this bike that I used to have previously has fulfilled it, and I'm going back to it basically. Not the same bike, I wish it was the same bike, but no, another bike, but it's been cared for, it's been looked after, and it's not been ragged everywhere. And I know a lot of you will be like, oh, why don't you just get an MTO7, very popular bike. I wouldn't be able to trust it, that it's not been abused. I want a bike that I know I can trust, and this bike that I'm buying, I know the history of it basically for the last, I don't know how many years. Hello? That was a nice nod, thank you. Yeah, that's bare exciting, because I'm gassed for that. Not to have the whole bike shake above 50. And it still be comfortable, so looking forward to it. I can actually join the MTO7 and the MTO9 on longer rides without struggling too much, and still not struggle with it in town. That's the main thing. Oh. Plane. So yeah, that's exciting news. Ah, hello, Honda. You're doing a cheeky. I knew it. You did a cheeky. There's a learner at the front. You're gonna undertake him as well. Oh, learner's absolutely gunning it. But yeah, exciting times, because the channel, I can rename it back to like it was before, which makes me happy. I don't even know if you lot care, but it makes me happy. And now I'm only going to post stuff on this channel that makes me happy anyway, so I hope it wasn't broken down because I just waved to him and that's it. What's happening here? Oh, I'm gonna filter to the front because I ain't waiting. Is that one of them here or both of them? The Honda's gone. Nope, there's two of them here. Alright, race time. See how ballsy you are. I mean, one's an L plate, so it's a 125, and the other one I think is a 650, which I have no chance again. I'm on a 400. Let's see how it ends up. That guy's fucking nuts. Just overtook someone on this lane. I'm gonna stick with this dude. No, I'm not. Am I gonna stick with him? Yeah, I'll come with you. He's got no gloves. That must be the weirdest thing. Fucking hell. We're doing the same thing. Everyone's going around the little car. Whee! Whee! Come on, mate. Behind the Mini, I'm good. Oh my god, what is that on the floor? Don't know, but it's nothing to do with me. Oh, I'm gonna catch up with the biker! No way! Wait, come back here! Whoa, shit! Please look at your mirror in case you're about to change lanes. Ha! Overtaken by 400. I don't trust you. You're still indicating. Doesn't even have an idea. Re-rolling. Oh yeah, and I've also got a ride out by myself, probably, with the Triumph, where I think I'm gonna go to Triumph and then do the ride I've done with it the first time, which is to Newlands Corner, just before I get rid of it, just as a trip down memory lane. Bro, which lane do you want to be in? Donut. So yeah, there'll be another one coming out. Anyways, it's going to be pretty boring from here. It's either going to be wind noise or traffic, which means this is my goodbyes, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, biker. And goodbye, you lot.